Dear students, today we shall study a figure of speech which are prescribed in your syllabus. First, we shall know what is the meaning of figure of speech. A figure of speech is a departure from ordinary form of expression or the ordinary course of ideas in order to produce a greater effect. First, we take simile. Simile in Hindi, Upma Alankar. In a simile, comparison is made between two objects of different types or different kinds, which have at least one point, which have at least one quality in common. A simile is introduced by such words as for example, Rana Pratap fought like a lion. In the above sentence, the two different objects, Rana Pratap and lion, have been compared, and their common point is fighting. Their comparison is introduced by the word like. Hence, there is a simile in this sentence. Now, another metaphor. Metaphor is an metaphor in Hindi, Rupak Alankar. Metaphor is an implied simile in the words of comparison. In other words, metaphor is an implied simile in which the words of comparison are not used, and the two objects of comparison are treated as if they were one and the same thing. As for example, Rana Pratap was a lion. In the sentence, the two different objects of comparison, Rana Pratap and lion, are treated as if they were one and the same thing, and the sign of comparison has been omitted. Hence, there is a metaphor in this sentence. Now, next, hyperbole. Hyperbole in Hindi, hyperbole means अतिशयोक्ति अलंकार, जिसमें हम किसी चीज़ को बढ़ा चढ़ा करके बोलते हैं. When things are represented as greater or less, bitter or worse than they really are, the figure of speech is hyperbole. As for example, Ramnath's house is higher than the Himalayas. In this example, the height of Ramnath's house has been described more than it really is. Hence, there is a hyperbole figure of speech in this sentence. Now, next, alliteration. Alliteration is Anupras Alankar. Alliteration is a figure of speech. It means repetition of speech sound in sequence either in the beginning of a word or of a stressed syllable within a word. Alliteration is used for special stylistic effect to a special atmosphere, rhythm, or sound. The term is usually applied to consonant when the sounds are vowels. The term used in assonance. As for example, 5 miles meandering with a merry motion. Now next and the last, pun. Shlesh Pun is a play on words that are either identical in sound or similar in sound, but are sharply diverse in meaning. Diverse, bhin. Puns have had serious literary uses. The Collins Dictionary explains pun in the verse: a pun is a use of words that have more than one meaning or words that have the same sound but different meanings, so that what you say has two different meanings makes people laugh. As for example, my dog is a champion boxer. Thanks. That's enough.